Hey guys, welcome back to Blue Line Garage. As you can tell by the picture, I'm on my way to pick up a Porsche. It's over here in California, so I've been driving for a few hours now. It's probably about 5 or 6 hours away. Yeah, I wanted to get a Porsche for a while, and I saw one at a good deal, and at the last minute I bid on it and won. So it's pretty exciting. It's a Porsche Cayman. Really nice interior. Just some like little cosmetic stuff that needs to be cleaned up, and that's about it. But we're gonna go check it out in a little bit. We're on our way and see what type of work we need to do to it. And stay tuned. Alright guys, so I went ahead and picked up the oil filter housing here, and it only cost me I think like 28 bucks, 38 bucks, something like that, something with an 8 in it. So what happened was this, somehow like the edge of it got scraped on something and just put a slight crack in it, and that's where the oil was leaking. Such an easy fix. It comes with the filter inside and the O-ring as well. Let's try and pop this out so you can see. There you go. Just like that. Alright, let's go pop it in. Alright, so that's where it's leaking from, as you can see. Now, once I wipe it off, you can see the oil start seeping through slowly. I don't think there's even any oil left to even look. But it is showing up, so let's go ahead and replace this. Alright, there you go. And that's where it was cracked, right there. Easy fix. Alright, let's take it for a test drive. Alright, here she is. She's looking all good. Got her all washed up. Needs another wash, need the inside worked on. Which is looking good. AC is freezing cold. Check it out. Look at that, great buy. Probably one of my best buys from Copart right here. Easy fix. Check it out. It's not too bad at all. Let's check out the back trunk. If I can figure out how to. Needs a vacuuming, not so bad. Got some cargo area. This is where you access the oil and the radiator fluid there. Boom, good to go. All right. Make sure you like and subscribe. Alright, we're taking it for a test drive. It runs pretty good. Even the Triptronic is working pretty good. Got all the codes cleared out. There's nothing else wrong except for the oil change. And that's it. Pretty responsive on the throttle, not too bad. And that's all it needed was an oil filter cap. Car's pretty much done, just some cosmetic stuff left. Goodbye. That's it. We're gonna end it with this. There's no sense of me videotaping all the cosmetic little stuff because that's pretty much just order and put it in. And that's about it. All right, well, thanks for watching. And make sure you like and subscribe.